Muozu. Make you Ebuka Obi come arrest me. This is day one. Day one of no arrest. We go count down to how many days? This one no be Simon Ekpa countdown, no. We will count down to how many days, so you know that these people have no power.
My people, unbelievable wonder shall never end. It don't happen again. It don't settle. Hey. No be small something. Make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listen to Ijele Speaks. So he get wetin he dey talk. The thing he dey make me dey laugh. Hey. No be small matter. We don't come out again with another update. So he no get joy at all at all. Una know say this Mathias Ezeaku issue when they grant. This man not even dey happy with all these pastors. He not dey happy with them. The way when he take they call their name, not be small something. He they call them say they be zombie people. Say he go cause them, my people. Things they happen. I go live on a morning for listening to Ijele where for the they vitalize for this pastor for waiting he do to Mathias Ezeaku. And people constantly they talk say not be this pastor now he hold Mathias Ezeaku. Say now he children now he hold Mathias Ezeaku. Now they put Mathias for kiri. My people, make una watch the full video where Ijele for the vitalize again. Oh, they say wahala be like bicycle.
Muozu. Make you Ebuka Obi come arrest me. This is day one. Day one of no arrest. We go count down to how many days? This one no be Simon Ekpa countdown, no. We will count down to how many days, so you know that these people have no power. Na police be their power. If they had the power, they wouldn't have been using the police to arrest you. All right? They wouldn't have been using the police to arrest anybody. Ebuka Obi, you are Akpamu, serious one. Serious Akpamu, that's what you are. Why did you free Mathias if actually he did anything wrong? On I go there, oh, they don't them give an injunction, this and that, say go mention Ebuka name again. If they actually put that thing on paper, any judge that granted that garbage needs to lose his or her job and go and check. It will be an Igbo judge or someone subservient to them. Okay? Say no more Nnamdi Kanu. What is the difference between what Nnamdi Kanu is doing and what Ebuka and his fellow criminals are doing? Which one is worse? If they've not brainwashed them religiously, wouldn't Nnamdi Kanu have caught them? Why would they believe that when they tell them that Biafra is of the spirit? If without the church brainwash, why would they listen to such a criminal? Sunday Nabulele, I see you. Why would they listen to such a criminal turn down our body to Ninishi? Ndara. Once it comes to all this useless they used to brainwash you people, you will just lose your mind. Oh, it's good when I'm talking about Nnamdi Kanu every day. Then it's not good to talk about Ebuka Obi. Nnamdi Kanu family no day. You know get people who love Nnamdi Kanu abi? Any of you that want to leave this platform, leave. Did I invite you here? Don't ever say such a thing on this platform again. In Ayara. You can't even open your mind. Why can't you reason like a human being? You sure the Mathias like here. Oh, no more now they can. Yes, it's Ebuka Obi. Let me block one Ozu. Yes, it's him. Why do you think most of these boys entered the bush? Many of them, their families have suffered one humiliation or another from this useless police you have in the southeast. Why do you think? Do you think people just woke up and started clapping for criminals and shouting God bless unknown government? Do you know the experiences people have had with the police that necessitated that? Don't you know that Nnamdi Kanu exploited an already rotten system? Because it's your Ebuka Obi, Arab again today. Do you need? But if you think what Ebuka Obi did is right, that guy where them shoot is still in the hospital now. Not be people, family. Look at the people that welcomed Mathias. That happiness, do you know what it was before? It's anxiety. It's anxiety. Those women, they were crying, and you idiots were there laughing, mocking them on social media that they are crying. In a and you want people to pity you when ESN buy you. Don't dagger about it. This is why your place is the way it is now. Selective truth or problem. Him. For you, Ebuka Obi. Don't dagger you, Ebuka Obi. Tag the motherfucker here. Ndiara. Let another person try. By the time we are done with him, nobody will use police to intimidate anybody again in the Southeast. By the time we are done with him, any day Ebuka Obi is live, call me. I will be analyzing his videos live on air. If you don't like it, off. Guys, hit the like button and share the video. In a same Ebuka Obi, turn that bobogi there. Yes, Mathias is IPOB supporter. What of Ebuka Obi that called for the release of Nnamdi Kanu? You didn't hear that one? You didn't hear that one when Ebuka Obi called for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. You did not hear when Ebuka Obi said Nnamdi Kanu will be released. You did not hear that one. Now Mathias only you hear. Church buchaku ni there. Ndoka n'ụka everywhere. Ndo Mwawuloka, have they finally found out who by Amurone Nego? That land wherein they drag with church, how did it end? I have somebody that church is stealing his land in Oka presently. Presently. Tell you Ebuka Obi to come and arrest me, Katonda Bobwe, that will be his end. Oh, he go carry lawyers, go line up for him useless shrine, where he call altar. To threaten who? In a threaten only. When we've not done anything bad. With all these useless people that we know how much they pay to get admission to study law. You see, any person that graduated from 2003 till now, from Nnamdi Ezeaku University Oka Law Faculty, all of them should retake their exams. All of them should retake their exams. Go check and maybe that those people are there them from. Umuewu. Any pastor. When Suleiman did it, you saw what we did to him. Jeremiah Omotofufu tried it. Thunder firearm. The people who use Madam Magic Finger, all of them relaxed in. Ebuka Obi, because you have contributed money to an illiterate. Billions don't enter in here. They be shared you no more. You cannot gather yourselves together and build anything in your place, but you gather and give those illiterate. Say make him build hospital. Oh, no, if you gather money, build on a hospital. Because I got oh, this one a snake. Someone's child. Na 2023. Look at the type of thing they are inducing into the minds of the people. I have not defended Mathias because of IPOB. While he was there, the video is still there. You can check it. I said, if you find him wanting connected to ESN, these people that are buying people, selling their vehicles as spare parts, if you find any link, buy him. Yes. But since IPOB is not the issue, you are arresting him because he said the truth. We will not let that stand. You are a woman, you get work, you expect miracle for Ebuka Obi, make he pray for you so you go thief people money. Any day Mathias use the Fulani herdsmen trope, I will still come here to condemn him. Any day he supports ESN, I will still come here to condemn him. But you see that thing that happened to Mathias is bigger than what you think. It's for every traditionalist. Mathias was not on trial. It was every traditionalist. Every traditionalist was on trial. They want to show you that they have the power that you cannot challenge the church. Have you not heard them using it? Throwing it out carelessly. Who are you to challenge the church? Which church? Do I have problem with the church? I have problem with the criminals that are confusing people. have a problem with the criminals that are using your influence